Well, you see who's sitting over there in the chair. I guess he's the supervisor. Glad he doesn't say much, because I'd probably ask him to leave. I bet if I did ask him to leave, I bet he'll just look at me kind of cross-eyed. Alright, well I hope you've enjoyed yourself, Crosscut. Well, I've had to redo this thing a couple of times, but I finally got it almost the way I want it. This was the way I was looking for a way to do it. I've got 3 different shelves. I mean, now I can just open it up and see everything in one glance. Well, still got some stuff I gotta do here. Nothing is working perfectly yet, but see, now I can open this thing up and get a glance rather than open individual boxes. And there, of course, I'll take the lids off of these. And then these, real easy to find what I need now. But the one thing I thought of, because I had this extra space down here, and so I put this, doesn't have any drawer guides. But what I'm going to do, and I've always needed this, because when I bring stuff back in from boxes and things, I either have to set them on the floor, set them on the shelves, because I keep saying, oh, I'll get to it later, because I didn't have anything sitting here stuff up right away. Because now what I can do when I bring a box of stuff in that I'm done, pull this out, and after a while I'll know about where stuff goes. Pull in the right one, dump it in there, and be done with that shelf. Because I mean, this is fine, but that thing's not very easily to pull out. Particularly don't like it, but I mean, it's going to be great for that. Of course, you know what's going to happen. It's going to end up being full of junk, and then I won't be able to use it at all. But I'm trying to get better at it. Still got to sort through all that stuff up there. I'm working on it. Okay, the one thing I did, which I'm glad I did it this way, I put some dividers in here, because these are all the nail guns I use. And so now, golly, I used to have to dig through those things because they were all on top of each other, but now they're up out of the way. Now I can just pull them out. Now I can find what I'm looking for. Before, I had to take all these out and lay them on the floor just to find the one I need. And of course, this shelf here is going to be for all the nails and stuff. So that way, when I open it, get ready to go to a job, I can find out if I need to stop and get nails or not. So, anywho, we're getting there. Well, Crosscut, what do you think about the whole situation? This has been an all-day affair. But by golly, we're winding it down, but tomorrow's going to be even worse, because now I got to sort through all this stuff and figure out what I'm keeping and what I'm getting rid of. Boy, I got a bunch of stuff that, a lot of this stuff I just don't use anymore, but I guarantee you what's going to happen. As soon as I pitch it, I'm going to be looking for it.